Hi, welcome to an absolutely scorching hot day in Chesterfield. It's giving it high temperatures, it's giving it outbreaks of sun, and it's also giving it 60% chance of rain over the weekend. Today's video is not about anything other than the Matsuko 5-way switch box remote, and this is a giveaway. This is a free giveaway courtesy of Matsuko Pond and Garden. I'll open it up and show you close up what's inside. If you want to be in with a chance of winning this free giveaway, which I will be posting anywhere in the UK, you need to live in the UK, you need to be subscribed to this channel, you need to like the video, and you need to answer the question which will be on the video later. Matsuko are a fantastic company with great customer relations, and if you do have any issues with any of their items, they will sort it out. And 4 or 5 years ago I had an issue with the first Matsuko switch box that I bought, and the guy came out to have a look at it. He checked the firmware, he did a firmware update, and then had a look around the system. Little did I know at the time it was actually Ian Collins himself, who is the owner of Matsuko. So you cannot fault that for customer service. That is a full range of their switch boxes. They're not cheap, but they are, to me, I believe they are the best available on the system. My favourite box is the switch box timer, which allows you to operate 5 items and program to come on and off 5 times a day. And now they've added the quick connectors on the bottom, it's even easy. You don't have to open the box. You can connect it straight up, plug it straight in, straight out. You don't need weatherproof double sockets, you just need one a switch box timer. Well, here's your chance to win one. Like I say, check the video at the end and you'll see the questions you need to answer. So in the box we've got the Matsuko Pond and Garden 5-way switch box plus remote and quick connections. The cracking range of products from the switch box remote through to the switch box timer, pump guard and quick connections. Let's show you the piece of kit. This is what you'll be receiving, a brand new, unused, with the quick connections already fitted at the bottom. You've got the alternative power supply. You've got the original connections if you want them. You get the quick connections, complete with a power supply quick connection if you want it. You've also got the remote fob, and you've also got the instructions and operator's manual, and in there it does tell you how to set up the remote if you lose any, if you change the batteries or if you lose connection, and you can also set up which one it goes on, which piece of equipment goes on which setting, so you don't have to label it up. This is a prize to the lucky winner. These are my main 2 that feed my pond, and this one is a Matsuko switch box timer, and as mentioned, you set all your items up on there and you can select them to come on 5 times a day and off 5 times a day, and you can label them up whatever you want. And it's got a time on there, obviously the date. And this is the Matsuko switch box timer plus pump guard. I don't use the pump guard at the moment, so I am looking to swap this one for another switch box timer. This is the one on the internal quarantine tank. I'll set it to come on and off as I do to the light. Again, no issues with it. Quick, easy, clean, tidy, presentable, and no fiddly push buttons like on the Blagden. And this is my fourth unit, again another Matsuko switchbox timer. Works perfect, controls the lights, the feeder. Controls everything straightforward, the heater, the pump, the air pump, the filter and the light. Thanks a lot for watching this short video, but like I say, to be in it to win it, you need to have a UK postal address, you need to be subscribed to the channel Secoh Enthusiast, and you must click like on this video and then answer the question. The question you're waiting for is, what is the hometown of Matsuko Pond and Garden? Answer that question in the comments below. Then on the 31st of July, 3 weeks today, 21 days, I'll use the random selector to draw the winner of this Matsuko 5-way switchbox remote. Everything is included in here to get you set up and running, quick, easy and efficient. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Happy ponding.